Hi everyone, it's Lana here. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I want to show you a little bit of a wash day, a little bit of a vlog, a day in the life. I just want to show you a little bit more about what goes on around here. I've shown you so many curly hair routines and my shower routines, my wash routines, and yeah, I just want to give you a little bit more, so let's do that. So I have just gotten back from running a few errands. So I went and bought some food as well, like groceries. I always carry tote bags like this with me everywhere I go. In my handbag I'll have like a bag like this, and this, I guess I got it from like a Unilever event or something, so it has Unilever on it. And I also had this one with me today as well, so that has some food in there as well. This is the Southampton tote bag by Kurt Geiger. It was gifted, so I felt like I should just give that little mention. So I'm prepping to have a salad for lunch, so I have a whole bunch of salad things. I like to buy like salad leaf mixes, and I also like little gem lettuce as well. Cocktail tomatoes on the vine, cucumber, pine nuts, organic eggs. So I always get organic free range if I'm having eggs. A lot of the time I just won't have eggs at all. Like I pretty much stick to a vegan diet, I think 90% of the time. Frozen peppers, because your girl is busy and I don't have time to chop veg. I have a parcel right here. Let's talk about it. This is from As I Am. They are a hair care brand. So they have a whole new range here that I have not used before, so I'm really excited. Oh, look, they've even bubble wrapped the nozzle so that that can't squeeze by itself. That's good, isn't it? So you guys might remember a few years ago I posted a few rice water videos, and back then I was using rice water all the time and I was having to make it myself, and you know, it takes quite long to make it if you're doing like the whole fermentation process. You know, I kind of felt like it was worth it because it was really helping with my hair growth at the time. Well, As I Am has actually brought out a rice water range, so they've incorporated all of those amazing benefits of that rice water into actual formulated products, so you can just like pick it up off the shelf. You don't have to worry about like making it at home. They are kindly sponsoring today's video, so let's check them out. I have their rice water micellar shampoo, the rice water conditioner, and rice water baby. This one I'm really curious about. So this is like their pure rice water, I guess. They just call it rice water, but I'm assuming that it's not the kind of rice water that we make at home. You know, it's not just like rice and water, that's it. It obviously is going to have some preservatives in here, and I can see that. I can see it's infused with betaine. We can give it a go, we'll see. It's free from sulfate, phthalate, silicone, parabens, gluten, petrolatum, and artificial colors. They're cruelty-free and vegan, recyclable. Okay, so now I'm finally ready to wash my hair. I've had a busy morning, and I do usually do it kind of this time just because I know it's going to be quite time consuming. I do just like to get a lot of things out of the way first, and then I can go ahead and wash my hair. It's going to take a few hours to wash, style, dry, especially when I'm filming it like this. Let's just take a look at my hair before. So my hair has actually a lot of oil on it right now. I actually oiled it, detangled it. I've been wearing it in a bun for the past few days. I was just kind of sick of tangles and I just decided to do that one day. I think it's because I was experimenting with a texture spray. Like I just wanted to give it a go, but it made my hair so tangly. So yeah, not really the vibe for me. And hopefully these products that I'm about to use will really help to detangle as well. Builder on my scalp. Oh, feels horrible.
Okay, so I have soaked my hair and now I'm going in with the rice water shampoo. I love that it has this little nozzle and you can really get into all of the crevices of your scalp and work up a good lather. This is perfect for me with all of that buildup that I had, and especially when I was using so much coconut oil as well, I feel like this really helped to cleanse my hair. So now I've rinsed and I'm going in with the conditioner. All of the products in the range are infused with forbidden black rice water, biotin, saw palmetto, and ceramides. On the website you can see that these are designed to moisturize the hair up to 26%, strengthen their hair up to 136%, and ease wet combing up to 25%, and improve wet detangling up to 45%. Overall, these products are designed to promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, and fight hair breakage. It was a dream to detangle with this, so easy and smooth, and I just love when my hair feels so strong and it starts bouncing back when I brush it like this. It just makes me happy. So I'm gonna leave that sitting on my hair for about an hour or so. I do this almost every time. You don't have to though, the recommended time is 15 minutes. But for me, I'm just gonna take this time to have some lunch, relax a little bit, and I'll be back. So I've fully rinsed my hair of conditioner and now I'm going to go in with some rice water. So there are a number of ways that you can use this. It does actually say you can use it as a shower water substitute, but for me, I am going to spray this all over my hair and scalp and massage it in. It does say you can do this a couple of times a day and it should help to really refresh and hydrate, strengthen and soften your hair. Don't you just love the feeling of fresh, clean hair? So then I styled my hair as usual and dried it.
Okay, so I'm all done with wash day. My hair feels so lightweight right now. Like, I'm just so happy that I was able to clear away all of that build up on my scalp. And can I also just say my hair feels so much stronger, and I'd like to think that that's because of the rice water, because my hair has been feeling so kind of like, I don't know, almost like straw-like lately. Like, I kind of felt like I damaged my hair when I was on holiday. Ever since then, it's just been feeling kind of brittle, and I was trying to figure out why is it feeling like that. Like, was it some products I was using or something? Anyway, it's gone today and I'm hoping that it will stay away. And also, like, my curls seem to be so like they just know what they're doing. Like, I'm pretty sure this is the rice water element. Like, my curls just seem so confident in themselves. Do you know what I mean? Like, they just know what they're doing, where they're supposed to be. That is a solid curl right there, and they're all like that. So I'm really, really happy with that. I just love rice water, and I'm just glad that it's so accessible in these products and I don't need to like make it every time now. So it's getting really, really late right now, but we are coming up to golden hour outside, and I did ask my sister to come and shoot with me because I've got something that I really need to film. So I'm gonna go and do that now with my hair looking fancy, with my hair looking all refreshed and great. Yeah, gonna quickly go and shoot that, grab some dinner together, and that will be the end of my day. Also, if you want to check out those As I Am rice water products, I will leave those linked in the description box down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Also subscribe, turn on your notifications if you don't want to miss my future uploads. Get me on Instagram because I'm there all the time. Have an amazing week, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.